So I was sent this folding shower chair for free to make a review. You can see the box got a little bit of damage there, so let's see what's in here. It only has 7 pieces total. It has 4 feet and 2 extensions for the back. So let's put this bad boy together. Assembly requires no tools. You just do it by hand. It literally is just feeding the pieces together and making sure that little dot snaps into place. It honestly took me less than a minute and a half to get this going. And if you listen, you can hear that little snap. Now this leg, I didn't adjust it correctly, so it comes up a little bit short. You'll see that in the video in just a second. So this unit weighs about 10 pounds. It is got a solid seat. It'll hold up to 350 pounds. And it has this hole in the middle, so it's easier for cleaning yourself. It is very sturdy once I adjusted this seat down. There's 5 levels of adjustment. It's very simple. Just push the pin in and then adjust it to the level that you want it to. Now breaking it down to fold is just pushing those buttons on the side there and just folds right up. Super easy. Like I said, it's about 10 pounds and it's got a nice little handle on the top for carrying and carting it around. And then it just pops right back into place pretty easily. So let's take this bad boy into the shower and see how that looks. So this fits very nicely in our walk-in shower. Once I adjusted the feet, it is really sturdy. The padding is very soft. There's padding on the back that's soft too, and there's this nice clip to hold your shower head if you have a hose like that. The feet are non-skid, so it's going to stay firmly in place. So I really like this. And when you're not using it, it folds away neatly and out of the way.